Here's 438 Colfax, second floor apartment. You have a nice private porch back here, grassy yard. I'm starting in upstairs in the back today instead of going in the front, but into the front. Here's your kitchen, gas stove. You pay your own gas here. Fridge will be delivered, will be right there. Plenty of cabinet space. Steam, heat. You have 2 bedrooms. It's a pretty large apartment. One, and over is the bathroom. Oh, light bulb's out. Also a little linen closet. We'll go over to the front room. This is the steps that'll lead to the front of the building. A large living room. Plenty of closet space in here too, with brand new vinyl windows, ceiling fans. There's one closet, and you have a mirror image closet here. Thermostat. Here's the main room. You can fit a king size bed in here, no problem. Ceiling fan, large sliding windows. And here's your second bedroom. And you could fit a full-size bed in here, no problem. Closets, ceiling fans. Alright, if you're interested in this unit, go to the website, parasoleproperties.com. It's Parasole properties.com. Submit an application on the homepage. Actually, right on the bottom of the listing, just fill out a couple questions so we can pre-qualify you, then you can schedule showings. You give it 24 hours or next business day for them to get back to you in response online. Shut everything off. 2, 3. That's porch Ryan, my partner. This is a block down from CMC Hospital. Nice location. So that's the front. That's where the mailboxes are. We have on-street parking. There's always spots here. At least every time I come in my truck. A couple blocks away from Nay Aug Park. Alright, so if you're interested, you know what to do.